Next topic we are going to see is about the factors affecting the speed of sound in gases. There are various factors which affect the speed of sound. Before that, let us consider with the ideal gas equation PV is equal to N into RT. Here P is the pressure, V is the volume, T is the temperature, and N is the number of mole. R is the universal gas constant. Okay, and for the given mass of the molecule, the equation can be written as, if you consider mass to be the same, this same equation can be written as PV by T is equal to constant. And this is for a fixed mass, and the density also varies with the volume. So we can say that density rho is proportional to 1 by V. Yes, and we know already the formula for volume. Volume is equal to mass by density. Yes, and so substituting this value here, yes, so we get rho, which is proportional to rho divided by m, because m divided by rho, so we'll be writing in this way. Yes, and so dividing this and this, we get p by rho is equal to c into t. If you consider c to be a constant value, then we can write p by rho, which is proportional to t. The speed of sound can be given by V, which is equal to root of gamma P divided by rho. So this is the equation which we know already. Yes. Now instead of this P by rho, we can also write this as what? Ct. So gamma into C into T. Yes. And so this is the equation for velocity. First is the effect of pressure. For fixed temperature, when the pressure varies, the density also varies, such that the rho P by rho remains constant. So when you vary with the pressure, density also will be varying. This means that the speed is independent of the pressure. Okay, so we can say that the speed is independent of the pressure. If the temperature remains same at the top and the bottom of the mountain, speed of the sound will remain the same even at this 2 points. So in the condition padi, so temperature வந்து பாட்டம் அண்ட் டாப் ஆஃப் த மவுண்டனில் வந்து சேமாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா ஸ்பீடும் எப்படி இருக்கும் சேமாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. பட் இன் ப்ராக்டிஸ் டெம்பரேச்சர்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் சேம் அட் த டாப் அண்ட் பாட்டம் ஆஃப் த மவுண்டன். ஆஸ் வி நோ, பாட்டம் ஆஃப் த மவுண்டன்லையும் டாப் ஆஃப் த மவுண்டன்லையும் டெம்பரேச்சர் வந்து சேமாக இருக்காது. அதனால ஸ்பீட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? Next is the effect of temperature. So from this we can say that nu is proportional to root of T. So speed varies as a square root of temperature. Okay, so speed varies as a square root of temperature, and we consider the two temperatures to be 0 degrees Celsius or 27 to 73. Then the speed can be written as V divided by V naught, that is equal to root T divided by 273. Then this T can be written as 273 plus T. Okay, now if you split this can be written as 273 divided by 273 plus T divided by 273. Now this 273 get cancelled, so we get 1 plus T by 273. Yes, and now this we have as a root. Whenever you have a root, that can be written as power of 1 by 2. Yes, so we are writing 1 plus T divided by 273 whole power 1 by 2. So next is we are going to use binomial theorem. According to binomial theorem, this power gets multiplied inside. Okay, so if you get multiplied here, we get T divided by 2 into 273. Okay, so what is 2 into 273 is, that is 546. So we get T divided by 546 here. Okay, so this is the effect of temperature. And if we have the value of V naught to be equal to 331, we can write 331 plus 60. Okay, next is the effect of density. If we have the variation of densities to be rho 1 and rho 2, we write V1 is equal to gamma 1 P divided by rho 1. Then V2 is equal to gamma 2 P divided by rho 2. If we divide this V1 by V2, yes, so the value of P get cancelled and this get reversed, and so we get gamma 1 rho 2 divided by gamma 2 rho 1. And if we consider gamma to be the same, then we can write V1 by V2 is proportional to gamma 2 rho 2 by rho 1. So we can say that it is inversely proportional to the square root of density. The next one is effect of moisture, which is humidity. So same equation, V proportional to root of gamma P divided by rho. Here if we consider these to be the rho 1 V1 and all this, we write this equation from this, is it not? And if we consider gamma 1 is equal to gamma 2, and if we write the value of rho 1 by rho 2 to be equal to capital P divided by small p1 plus 0.625 of p2, then we get this equation to be equal to V1 is equal to this. Okay, so this is the effect of moisture, and the last one is the effect of wind. The speed of the sound is also affected by the blowing of wind. Always the blowing of wind affect the speed of the light. In direction along the wind blowing, the speed of the sound increases, whereas in the opposite direction the speed decreases. If suppose this is the direction of wind and this is the speed, then it increases. If it travels in the opposite direction, this decreases. Yes, clear? Okay, thank you.